how to share your Cash App profile on WhatsApp. So if you want to share your own Cash App profile to a certain WhatsApp user because you're talking to them on WhatsApp, it's very simple. Once you can open Cash App, tap on your profile icon from the top right, then you can see the share icon right here. So you can just tap on the share icon right here, then you can just tap on the WhatsApp option right here, then you can simply choose the person you want to send it to, tap on the next option, then you can see the send button. It will be successfully sent to that person. If I go ahead and then open up WhatsApp and then I select that person, now you can also actually share the QR code instead of just the profile link. So you can tap on the QR code icon, then tap on the share icon from the top right hand side, then again select WhatsApp, then from here again select that person, then just tap on next. Still it is the same profile URL, and then you can just tap on that send option to proceed with the changes. This way you should be able to share the Cash App profile link on WhatsApp or other social media. I hope the video was really helpful. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.